Israel's Jewish democracy is falling apart, and we see that during the demonstrations. And one of them that we see is the judicial reform issue. Israel never had a strong Supreme Court. Both sides used the Supreme Court to pretend that Israel is a democracy. But they knew very well that the Supreme Court in Israel is very nationalistic, and it serves the government, and it serves those people who wanted to give the impression that Israel has a fair and honest Supreme Court. But it did not. Because in order to have an honest and independent Supreme Court, you have to have a constitution. The Constitution has to give the power to the three branches of government: the legislative, the executive, and the judicial, the Supreme Court. But when you do not have a constitution, the Supreme Court is unable to have independent, separate power. It cannot stand on its own legs. And the reason Israel does not have a constitution is because it wants to claim to be a democracy. And you cannot have a democracy for a Jewish state, because in a democracy, you need to state that you are separating between religion and government, and you are treating everyone equally. In a Jewish state where the Palestinians have been expelled and living under occupation, you cannot create a constitution that says that everyone is equal, because the Palestinians would want their equality. Thank you.